Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, you will understood how to access Groq models. Groq providing some models. By using Groq key, you can able to access those models easily. So in this video, let us understood by using LangChain, how can we able to access the models which are present in Groq by using the API key provided by this Groq. Since we are expecting to access Groq models by using LangChain, let's see what are the Groq models that those are available. I'm just searching for Groq models and I'm just opening the supported models. Here you can able to observe like production ready models are there as well as preview models are also there and the sample code is also there. So basically, you can use this code in order to access any model like these models by providing the API key. So that is here. So here you need to provide the API key and you can able to access the Groq models. Now, since we are expecting to use LangChain to access Groq models, I'll show you that code. Now, from these models, let's pick one model. Let's say I want to choose this model. That is Llama 3.3, 70 billion parameters, versatile model I want to choose. So that's why I copied that model name. To access any model which is present in this Groq, you first need to create this API key here. From here, you need to authenticate and then you need to create some API key. For this demo, I have already created one API key. Now I want to use that. So to use that, I want to choose some cloud platform. That is, I'm opening this Google Colab. In this Google Colab, I want to create some notebook. So that's why I clicked on create new notebook. Now here I want to take it as a platform in order to connect to my Llama model by using that Groq API key. So here you can see you can able to provide some title for it. LangChain based Groq access. Groq model access in Python. So let's provide some name for it. Now, so first in order to access any model, we need to install whatever the dependencies that we have. So for this Groq, in order to use by using the LangChain, if you want to access Groq models, then you must need to install one package that is LangChain Groq. So this is the package that you need to install. So how to install in Colab, sir? So very simple by using pip install. This one. That's it. Just click on shift enter or press this run button so that this will get installed onto your Colab. This package will install right now. After this package got installed, you can use that in order to access your Groq model. So I'll just wait for a moment. You can see, yeah, the model got installed, or you can say that that package got installed successfully. Now I want to use that. So in order to access my model, in order to access a model which is present in Groq. So for that, in order to access any model present in Groq, you need to use a method. You need to use a class that is chat. That method you need to use is now by using this LangChain Groq, we can able to interact with any model which is present in Groq by using the API keys which are provided by using by that Groq. So let's see by using what method or what class we can able to interact with the models which are present in Groq. If you want to interact with any model which is present in Groq, then you need to use this chat Groq. So this is the class. You need to use this class and provide the model name. So to which model you want to interact. Let me open this Groq, and here I'm just copying this 3.370 billion model, and I'm just pasting that model name here. So that's it. If you want, you can able to provide some more parameters here, like temperature and so on. You can able to provide. So in order to use this method, so first we need to import it, right? Yes. From where we need to import that method, sir? We need to import that method from the package that we installed, this LangChain Groq. From LangChain Groq, we need to import this chat Groq. So now our chat Groq was imported. If you want to see what are the methods or what are the parameters that you can able to pass to this model, then simply write dir of this chat Groq. So this will provide you, you can see whatever the parameters that you can able to pass, those all will be visible here. So not just parameters, it will show you inside that class whatever the methods which are present, those all will be listed here. Let's say if you typed a command like help, then it will show you the attributes or methods or classes which are present inside that chat Groq. So here you can able to see what all parameters you can able to provide. So you just need to scroll it down. Yes. So this is the starting. So here you can able to observe, you can able to pass the parameters like model name, temperature, max number of tokens to be generated, and model related keyword augments. You can now you can able to pass those, and timeout and max retries. API key also you can able to pass, like what is your Groq API key. You can directly pass your Groq API key from here by using API key, and here you can pass your API key. This is one way. And the other way to pass your API key is, first you need to store your API key in this secrets manager. Then after storing your API key in this secrets manager, you just you just import OS, and OS dot environ is the method. So OS dot environ of Groq API key. So this is the method you can use to pass your. So here you can able to pass your key directly. If you want to pass within double quotes, you need to pass your key, whatever the key that you have, that key you can able to pass here. Otherwise, you can able to directly provide your key in this by using this API key method that you have seen already. So where is that? That is this API key method. By using this API key attribute, you can able to pass that here directly, that key. Or else by using this os.environ, you can able to fix this Groq API key. For this demo, I am just fixing this API key as a environmental parameter. And so here also I want to store that API key inside the secrets manager. Then I want to access it from this. Before you need to store it here, you just need to open your Groq cloud, and there you open this API keys and you log in and create your API key. I've already created one API key for this demo, and now I'm just saving that in this secrets manager. I'm just opening this secrets and adding a secret. It's a Groq. based API key. So I'm providing name like this to remember, and here I'm pasting my key. I just hided my key. And remember, do not place double quotes. Do not place double quotes while providing your key here. And yeah, that's it. And you need to provide access to this key to this notebook by just clicking here so that it will provide the access to this key to this notebook. How can I able to access this value, sir? You can see this is the simple method you can able to use to access that. From Google Colab, you need to import this user data, and by using that user data you can able to access user data dot get method you can able to use. And what is your name, key name? I'm just copying that and pasting that here so that your API key will be stored as an environmental variable like Groq API key. And now I'm just running this cell. You can see now this cell got run successfully. Now I want to create this model LLM1. So this is my LLM1, and this model I want to access. So that's why I'm providing this model name. And inside this ChatGroq, you can also provide certain attributes like here whatever you've seen. So those all attributes you can able to provide like temperature you can able to control, and all the keyword augments you can able to provide, and API key or base URL, and you can see multiple approaches or multiple parameters you can able to pass. Now currently I'm not passing anything. I'm just clicking on shift and enter so that this model LLM1 will be created. You can see my LLM1 will be created with this client. Now I want to invoke this. I want to invoke this model. So by providing some message or by providing some question, I want to invoke this LLM. So what is my message? So message is nothing but a list of discussions. The discussions may be started from your model or from you. Let's say I want to start a discussion and I want to provide a user related question, that is, let me as a user or as a human I want to ask a question. Human, I'm providing my question, that is, who are you? So like this I provided the question and I'm invoking my LLM whatever I created by using this Groq ChatGroq class. By providing this API key, I'm just invoking this by shift and entering. You can see I got the AI message. What is that? I am an artificial intelligence model and so on, so known as this llama. Llama stands for large language model meta AI, and so on, so response I got, right? Yes. So this is the way where you can able to use to interact with llama based models or any models which are present in Groq. So this is the Groq cloud, right? In this Groq cloud you have multiple models are available. So you can able to use any one of the model by simply this approach. And here you can able to make, or here you can able to extend this like by providing some more parameters or some more conversations in this message. As a system I want to provide some details like, so as a system you can see I'm providing a detail. What I'm telling, you are a helpful AI assistant that translates English to French. Translate the user sentence. Now you can see I'm providing some user sentence here. Like as a human, I'm providing human sentence. Let's see whether it can able to provide me the translation or not. You can see it provided me the translation from English to French. This is an English and this is the French. I don't know French, but hope this will be the correct answer. So this is the simple way where you can able to interact with, you can able to interact with this any model which is present in Groq by using an API key through LangChain. By using LangChain, we are interacting now. You can see from where we imported this chat Groq, we imported it from LangChain Groq, and we are using that chat Groq method, and we provided what model we are expecting to access, and as a LLM, we are invoking by providing some message and getting the response. Now at the end, let's take one more model in the Groq and let's try to analyze it, or let's try to access it and wind up this session. I'm just copying this Mistral model because it is providing me 32K tokens of my maximum window length of both input and output sentences limit. And here I'm providing my model, one more model. You can say I'm just providing some more code like LLM2. That is a chat Groq of. So what is our model that I am providing here? And by using this LLM2, I want to invoke once more to see how I get the response. LLM2 dot invoke of the same message I'm providing. So whatever the message that I provided to this previous model, that is a Llama 3.3, I want to provide the same input to this Mistral model as well. So I'm providing this message, the same message I provided. You can see how you got the response. For this, you got a bit a different response, like it provided some explanation. The French translation of this, nothing but our input is nothing but this. So like that, this model is providing a bit explanation for our request, whereas the Llama 3.370 billion model is providing us the direct response. So simply in Groq, whatever the models those are available, you can able to access them by simply creating an API key in this approach. I hope you understood this video and you got a good knowledge on how to access Groq models by using the API key provided by Groq. I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys.